या
रकुल जी आप रकुल जी सामने वेट
मैम थोड़ा बस
हाथ लगा रकुल जी थोड़ा ऐसा वेट रकुल जी सेंटर में
रकुल जी पीछे सब सबको मिलेगा पीछे
यार वेट में मैम आप जीतेगा इधर
मैम लोग किया
बात चलो थैंक यू मैम
हेलो मैम मैम वेट मैम या मैम सेंटर मैम सेंटर वेट
थैंक यू तो हटेगा ना ये अब यार दिम भाई तुम लोग क्या गणेश वेट
अनया जी यहाँ पे
इधर
लेफ्ट में आइए मैम अनया जी यहाँ पे
अनया जी यहाँ पे
Sanya
जी सेंटर
राइट साइड
राइट थोड़ा टर्न हो जाए मैम यहाँ पे सेंटर में
मैम लोग किया
सानिया जी प्लीज एक बार हाँ बस
संजीत सामने
सानिया जी
संजय जी एक साथ में करके
पीछे लाइट बंद करो पीछे
लाइट बंद कर पीछे से
सानिया जी एक मिनट
यहाँ पे लेफ्ट साइड में
लुकिया प्लीज
तो थैंक यू चलो थैंक यू चलो भी लेफ्ट साइड सर लेफ्ट साइड
सेंटर लोग
अनया जी थैंक यू
एक ते घेऊन करा ना हां इथे बघा ना हां इथे बघा सोनाली मॅम समोर बघा
यहाँ पे
ओ मैडम समोर
सोनाली मैम सोनाली जी
इकडे बघा
इकडे
मॅडम इकडे समोर हा मॅम इकडे बघा समोर सोनाली मॅम समोर समोर बघा
समोर बघा समोर.
मॅम इकडे इकडे सामने मॅम समोर बघा
मैम राइट 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 दादा थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ यार.
इकडे इकडे इकडे
मैम इकडे मैम समोर इकडे. थैंक यू.
सानिया जी मैडम मैडम
इधर
हम लोग उसका अच्छा नहीं है.
लाइट्स
लाइट दादा.
लाइट
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 लाइट.
फुल लाइट
थोड़ा और.
और
थैंक यू.
फुल लाइट लाइट
मैम लेफ्ट टू राइट.
मैम यहाँ पे देखिए
मैडम लेफ्ट में.
स्टार्ट करेंगे बाद में करते
जो हमारा जैसा टिप ऑफ कैसा लग रहा है. हाँ तो उसको भी 2-3 फोटो मार लें.
राहुल जी.
व्हाट है तो हल्के में ले रहा था.
देखा कैसा फोटो हो रहा है आवाज पे. मैडम इधर सामने मैडम. टीम हैदराबाद. थैंक यू.
बाय बाय.
लाइट ये कहीं लगाए हैं.
थैंक यू
चलो बैक टू कैमरा.
चेन्नई
मॅम इथे बघा राईटला
मॅडम लेफ्टला.
मॅम स्ट्रेट.
मॅम समोर मॅम इकडे बघा
सोनाली मॅडम लेफ्टला तुमच्या.
वन फॉर मी टू
मॅडम लेफ्टला. मॅम यहाँ पे.
गॉट इट. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू
सोलो कर. वेट. मैम लेफ्ट. दादा गिम्बल.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm so happy to see so many of my favorite people in the room here today. Thank you so much for coming. auctions are always special and a great day, like Sania was mentioning. We all meet on this day, but today's auction is extremely special because we have with us Leander Pace, Sania Mirza, Mahesh Bhupati, all the three legends together. So before we begin, I think they deserve a big round of applause. Thank you, Lee. Thank you, Sania, and thank you, Mahesh, for what you've done for Indian tennis. You all continue to inspire us, and we wish for your support going forward. When we started in 2018, we knew it's not going to be easy. And this year, of course, there have been some challenges, there have been some small hiccups, but like they say, challenges are an opportunity. And when I see all of you here today, it just makes me believe that more strongly that all those challenges were actually opportunities. Behind every man, they say, behind every successful man, they say, is a woman. But behind every league, there are 8 team owners. For TPL, they are the pillars. Without these owners, the league wouldn't have happened. So thank you all of you, each one of you, for the support you all have given us over the last few years. And we assure you, we are only going to make you more proud. Before we move forward, few special mentions. Of course, Leander has been giving his unconditional support since season 1. Sundar sir, I don't see him. Is Sundar sir here?
He's here.
Sundar Iyer sir, who's been involved in the inception of the league. Dr. Vijay Bhai, sitting right there. Bharti ma'am, thank you for coming today. Sonali ji, Rakul, they always make it a point to attend the auctions. It's really sweet of them. They've been, I think, involved for the last 4 years now. They've seen the league grow, and we want them to see the league go global now. We've signed a contract with Inverlay, which is one of a major global distributor for sports content. So now, apart from live in India, we'll be present in many other countries outside of India. Thank you to all our friends, family of course, and one special person here, Mr. Shailesh Alagia. I always keep one line which he said to me some time back.
कि 5 साल से मैं देख रही हूँ कि ये लीग इतना बड़ा होता जा रहा है, बेहतरीन बड़ा होता जा रहा है, और उसे देखते हुए और इस कार्यक्रम में आते हुए मुझे बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है. थैंक यू कुणाल, उन्होंने मुझे यहाँ पे आने के लिए बुलाया था. और ये खेल जो है, ये केवल खेल नहीं है, ये हमारे देश में एक मंच बना हुआ है कि अच्छे खिलाड़ी टेनिस में आगे जाए. तो इसके लिए मैं अभिनंदन करती हूँ. और यहाँ पे जो भी खिलाड़ी आए हैं, महेश भूपति जी है, लिएस जी है, पेंटर है, और जो भी सब खिलाड़ी हैं उनका मैं अभिनंदन करती हूँ. और जो सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं उनका भी मैं अभिनंदन करती हूँ. और हमेशा हम भी आपके साथ रहेंगे, हमारी सरकार आपके साथ रहेगी. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you, very formidable tennis superstar who was the former women's doubles world #1. She is an inspiration to many. Along with them, their esteemed member and mentor, Mr. Gaurav Kapadia. I think we need to take a picture and then after that see you. Yeah, can I request the brand ambassador, Ms. Sania, to please say a few words?
Good afternoon, everyone. I think, like everyone, I have to also start by thanking Kunal and Mrunal for having, well, first of all, for getting me, Mahesh and Leander together in one picture. And then, just kidding, guys, just kidding. No, but for actually putting this together for so many years, I think tennis needed this, and tennis needs this, as we all know, and we're really happy to be part of something that is only going to help tennis grow. So I've been a part of TPL for a few years, and I've had the pleasure of being at a bunch of auctions, and it's done extremely professionally, and it gives amazing opportunity, not just for the Indian players to play against the best in the world, but also for them to grow. And we can see that from the fact that we do have a lot of, we have like 6 top 150 doubles men's players today. So I think TPL can take some credit for that as well. Again, thank you very much. I am honored to be here. Thank you for having me as your brand ambassador, and I look forward to a great auction and a great week of tennis in a couple of months.
Thank you, Sania. To hand over the bidding paddle to our incredible Bengal Wizards, I invite Dr. Rajendra Jain, Managing Director, Swar Group and Trophy Partner of the Tennis Premier League, to come on stage, please. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best. Let's give a warm welcome to the reigning champions of the previous season, the Bengaluru SG Pipers.
This is going to be a great sight to watch.
It's the Bengaluru SG Mavericks.
Bengaluru SG Mavericks, Arina Godianova, Ramkumar Ramanathan and Vishnu Vardhan in red hot form.
I request Mr. Mahesh to please say a few words.
As everyone has said, I'd like to again congratulate and thank Krunal and Mrunal for putting this together. I know how hard it is to sustain a league for so long, so congratulations. And looking forward to the auction. I've been waiting for an hour, so I'm ready to get started. Yeah, good luck to all the teams and looking forward to season 6.
Thank you, Mahesh. Thank you also for keeping it short. To hand over the bidding paddle to the Bengaluru SG Pipers, I now invite Mr. Rajesh Jain, owner of Prachar Communications, to the stage, please. Thank you so much.
We bought a couple of teams as World of Krida in sports, and this is one of the leagues that we're very proud of to be associated with. We made our debut last year, so we are looking at making a dent this year. We finished 3rd, so thanks. Thank you so much. We are happy to be here.
Thank you so much. To hand over the bidding paddle to the exceptional owners of the Punjab Patriots, I invite Ms. Aradhana Gupta, founder of We, as well as Mr. Roshan Sachdev of Such Developers, on stage, please.
This is the season 6 of TPL. I think all of us present over here, we're very excited to be a part of this league. I think this is the time of the year we have been waiting for throughout the year. And we hope to make sure that we get the best team put together today with the mentorship of Suresh sir and Rakul Preet Nam here. So looking forward to a great afternoon ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone. Of course, as it's compulsory, we have to thank Kunal and Mrunal for working so passionately towards growing the league. I remember speaking to Kunal 5 years back when he came to me, and I've been associated with the league for 5 years, and the kind of efforts that have been made year by year, the league growing. A big kudos to you both, and yeah, can't wait for the auction to get started. So keep it short and simple. Thank you.
Thank you so much. To hand over the bidding paddle, I would like to call on stage Hyderabad Strikers team, Mr. Ashwin Agarwal, Executive Director of Skillmind Technology, to the stage. Mr. Agarwal is a visionary leader committed to driving innovation and excellence in technology. Thank you. Next, let's put our hands together for our striking Gujarat Panthers team.
Hello everyone, I'm Meher Padgir. I've been associated with the Tennis Premier League from season 1, and I've literally grown up watching the tremendous growth, and I'm really happy to be involved in such a worthwhile cause of promoting tennis in India. And I'm glad to be formally a part of the team, and I hope we get the very best players today, and for my dad's dream to come true, and for Gujarat Panthers to bring it home this year. And wishing all of you the very best, and thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm Secretary of Gujarat State Tennis Association. I've been involved and watching this TPL grow from season 1, and it is amazing how much it has played a part to make tennis popular around the country. And special mention to Kunal and Mrunal for all the hard work. And thank you so much. Wish you all the best.
All the best to all the teams, and looking forward for a great, exciting event coming up.
Thank you, everybody. And I'm sure we're going to get the best players of our choice this year. And we'll be in finals, and hopefully we'll take the trophy back to Gujarat.
We will. We're going to win it.
Congratulations, and I hope that wish comes true. To hand over the bidding paddle, I now invite Mr. Ajay Lokhatia on stage. Let's give a huge director of high-tech pipes and brings 13 years of expertise in corporate finance and strategic management, who is also a strong advocate for tennis. Along with him, we also call upon Mr. Dharmender Goyal, a respected member of the board of directors at International Loha Bandar Private Limited, and an owner of a network of schools under the Ganga International banner, who is also a tennis lover. We are also honored to have Ms. Sonali Bendre Bell with us today, a celebrated actress, philanthropist, and an author. Sonali has graced the silver screen with her memorable performances. She has supported the league unconditionally from season 1. Guiding them with their expertise and strategy is their exceptional mentor, Mr. Narendranath. Can we have you all on stage, please?
Good afternoon, everyone. So we are really glad and excited to be a part of Tennis Premier League, something that Kunal and Munal started, and seeing it grow to the next level is quite exciting for us. So for this being our debut season, we really look forward to having a solid team and yeah, definitely winning it, of course. Thank you. Over to Sonali.
Good afternoon, everybody. And yes, this year is different, but like Valusha said, I've been part of this TPL from its inception, thanks to, guess the two names, Kunal and Munal, yes. But I have to say, I'm so happy that the TPL has grown to come and is seeing the season 6 now. I know the kind of hard work, the dedication that has gone into it. Kunal and Munal have really put in a lot of effort. He's a tennis lover, you're a tennis player, a lot of tennis players here. I'm so happy to see Lee, Sanya and Mahesh in this room together. Amazing. Well done, Kunal and Mrinal. But so for me, not being a tennis player or that much of a watcher, the reason my association is with the boys, Kunal and Mrinal, and I love the effort they put in. I like the idea that this game needs to grow because we need to know that there are more games in this country which need to be promoted, and whatever little that I can do by getting that spotlight on the game, I'm trying my best. I think there are better people here to do that. I appreciate the fact that you all think that I can put the spotlight on it. Thank you for the honor. I'm glad to be the ambassador to a brand new team this season. But I think new is always good, change is always good. And with change comes newer competition, new energy, and I'm really looking forward to this energy this season. So all the best to the new team, and don't take them lightly. All the best for the auction.
Thank you so much, and all the best to the team. To hand over the bidding paddle, I'd like to call upon Mr. Gurpal Singh. Let's give a loud cheer for the dynamic Yash Mumbai Eagles team.
Good evening, everyone. Firstly, I'd like to welcome each and every one of you back. It's that time of year where we all come together with our sport and showcase what we can do in a country of 1.4 billion people plus. I'd first like to thank all the team owners. I'd like to thank the new teams, the Chennai team, for being so gracious in the way that you've already conducted yourself. Thank you. I'd like to thank Rahul Todi, Tamalda, and our Shrachi boys for coming forward. And these two new teams that have come in, welcome to Tennis Premier League. On that, I'd also like to thank my favorites, Sonali, Rakul, Sania, Mahesh, Tapsi, and the Tennis Premier League's favorite mascot, Raku's Papa. Thank you so much for being with us today. I would like to give a big thank you to the few people that have made a huge difference in my life, who've actually got a big part in this. Right next to me is someone who's my senior, I grew up with. I always wanted to learn how to volley like him, especially his low forehand volleys, low hand backhand volleys. Nandan, thank you for being that guy I looked up to, the guy who conducted himself every time he went on the tennis court like a rugged athlete, but also a gentleman. Thank you for being my Davis Cup coach. Thank you for guiding me through my career. The All India Tennis Association got two brothers here, 3 generations running the association. The father, Mr. R.K. Khanna, gave me my first chance when I was 14 years old. I'd like to thank the All India Tennis Association, along with Sundar and everyone back in Delhi and around the country who supported me through my career. Thank you. There are 2 people in this room who there's no way I would have this without. Sania and Mahesh, thank you for a great run. Thank you for being not just friends, but also for being the great leaders that you are. The way you conducted yourself, the way you played hard. We had our differences, but most importantly, we got 40 Grand Slam wins amongst us. Sania, playing alongside you at the Asian Games in Doha especially, where you carried me with a big injury that I had on my playing arm. We won the gold there. Playing with you in London, we came just a little shy of winning an Olympic medal, and that's something that I do regret, that we weren't able to win an Olympic medal together. That was something really special to play with you. Thank you for that support. Hesh, where do we go back, man? We go back to when we were kids. The hard yards all over the world. Uzbekistan, when we had no food there. Staying in locker rooms. Learning our trade. One of the greatest joys I've had in my career is to play with you. Thank you for being a great brother, a friend, and also a great leader for this country. To everyone in the Tennis Premier League, I really want to say thank you very much for the 6 years of continuous support. And yes, 2 names come to mind. So one starts with a K and the other with an M. Kunal and Mrinal. You guys are magic. The way that you sustained the Tennis Premier League through a global pandemic, the way that you've brought every single one here, the way you've conducted yourself. You're great champions of our sport, and big congratulations to all of you. You will always have my support behind you. Thank you, guys. It's a unique thing that I think the last time that Sania, Mahesh, and myself got under one roof or got into a stadium together was probably the 2012 Olympics in London, I think. I'm not sure if there was another time, guys, if you remember before that, after that. I would humbly like to request both of them to come up and take a picture, because the Hall of Fame not only belongs to both of these 2 cats too, because they helped me get there, but it belongs to each and every single one of us Indians in this room and around the world.
To hand over the bidding paddle to the owners of the Sharachi Delhi RAR Tigers, I now invite Mr. Uday Jain, Director of the prestigious Bhumimal Gallery. Mr. Jain is a passionate supporter of tennis and a leading figure in the world of art, known for his commitment to fostering creativity and innovation. So these were our 8 dynamic teams who are all set with the bidding. All the team owners to join them on stage for a group photograph.
Yeah.
एक मिनट